Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is Nawab Kiazai, Nawabkiazai. As you know that we have started a series of adjectives, and this is the 8th video of adjectives. I mean 8th lesson of adjectives. So in today's video, in today's lesson, we will know about little, few, a little, a few, and the little, the few. So now let's talk about little and few. Little means not much. You can see the definition here, not much. And few means not many. Little means not much, few means not many. But both the words give the negative meaning, the negative sense. They are never used with the positive sense or positive meaning. And moreover, little is used for uncountable nouns and few is used for countable nouns. But sometimes little is used for countable nouns also. Like I saw a little girl or I saw a little boy. Here little means small, not much in quantity. Understood? You also can see this, that little is used for uncountables and few is used countables. Let's go to the second part, that is a little, a few. A little means some, but in a positive sense, or you can say positive meaning. Some means here, some means something visible. A few has the same case, that a few means some, but in a positive sense and a positive meaning. Some means something visible. Understood? And now let's go to the third part, that is the little, the few. The little means whatever little that is, in the same case goes to the few. The few means whatever few they are, all of them. Now here it is necessary you will have to mention, you have to describe, you can say the whole scenario, you can say the whole sentence completely while using the definite article, the. Whenever you say the little, now you will have to describe the whole scenario in front of the person that you are talking to. Whenever you say the few, again it needs the description. Means you'll have to you'll have to describe the sentence, the scenario, a complete scenario in front of the person that you're talking to. Understood? You can also see it, the little with description, the few with description. Understood? Now here I would like to tell you a story of mine, that once upon a time I was walking to somewhere. When I was on my way to my destination, so on the midway I got very thirsty. So I saw a wayfarer and I asked him for water. So he had a bottle of water. So the bottle was almost empty, except a little water, or you can see a few drops only. Then I moved on and I saw another person. So it's the same, I asked him for water. So now this time he had a bottle of water. This one person, the second person. So he made a 50-50 of that bottle. So you can see he gave me a little water, or you can see he gave me a few sips of water. So I drank the water, then I moved on and I met a third person. So the same, I asked him for water. So whatever the little water he had, he gave me all of it. And you can say whatever the few sips he had, he gave me all of them. When it comes to countable, because the sips are countable. Understood? The little means the whole, complete, whatever little that is. The few means, you can say whole, complete, you can say whatever few they are. Understood? So now let's go to the examples. That when I'm at the first person, you can see he gave me little water, and when it comes to countables, he gave me few drops. You can say few drops of water. And now look at the example for the second person, that he gave me a little water, or you can say he gave me a few sips of water. Understood? And now let's go to the third example. The third example is this, that the little water, you can say the little water that he had, helped me a lot. Or you can say the few sips of water he had, that helped me a lot. Understood? Now let's tell you, you can say something different. You can say that elder or older. What is the difference between elder and older? So the difference is this, that elder is used for blood relations, and older is used for, you can say, ages. Simply you can say older is used for age, elder is used for blood relation. Understood? And older is you can say a simple word, a simple adjective that has degrees also. You can say old, older, the oldest. While on the other hand, elder is a Latin word. Elder does not have, you can say, the first form, I mean the positive degree, eld. There is no, you can say, such word like eld. And one thing more, that elder has some more derivatives. Elder also is a noun. You can say respect the elders. Here now elder is a noun. And you can say I saw an elderly person, I saw an elderly lady. Now here elderly is another adjective with ly. Understood? Look at the examples now. You can see the definition of older, referring to age. Look at the example. My friend is older than me. My friend is older than me. Understood? Here the next person I'm talking about is my friend, but not my relative. I have no blood relations with it. Here I am talking only about the age of my friend. Understood? Now let's go to the second example. You can see the definition. Elder, referring to blood relation. Look at the example now. With old, you can say with older we use then, but with elder we use to. We do not use elder then, but rather we say elder to. My sister is elder to me. My sister is younger to me. Understood? So this is the difference between older and elder. So I hope you have understood the concept of today's lesson. So if you are alive, we will meet in a new video with a new grammatical point. So till then, stay tuned.